In order to perform a virus scan on Redmi A7 Pro, you can, for example, open Settings, then over here scroll down a little bit and go to Fingerprints, Face Data, and Screen Lock. Then you should be able to proceed to Privacy, and then in here you can find Google Play Protect. Now, after a couple of seconds, you can use this scan button in order to check if you have any malware or harmful apps on your phone. And you should be able to see the result in just a couple of seconds. There we go. And besides that, another way to scan your phone is by going to the Security app. Once you open the Security app, in here you can find the Security Scan option, so you can select it. I believe we don't have to agree to this option over here, but we need to agree to the privacy policy overall. And then we need to wait for the phone to finish the security scan. And there we go, that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.